Today we celebrate the resilience and success of women around the world in achieving all that they have so far.
We celebrate their zeal, hard work,
and their contribution in making the world a better place.
We celebrate their boldness and courage.
We celebrate their braveness in
championing for equal rights, resources, and opportunities.
We celebrate their intelligence,
success, dedication, and kindness.
We celebrate their proactiveness in finding
durable solutions to challenges that come their way.
We are go-getters,
innovative,
inquisitive,
creative,
intelligent, fearless,
resourceful,
assertive.
Thank you for including women with disability.
Thank you for supporting women in leadership.
Thank you for keeping the hope of women alive.
Thank you for being women and girls of excellence.
Thank you for empowering women.
Thank you for being ambitious.
Thank you for keeping our families together.
Thank you for embracing the diversity and achievements of women with disabilities at the workplace.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day 2021.
Happy International Women's Day 2021.
Happy
International Women's
Day 2021.